This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2015 set 3. So the question states, let R be a relation on the set of ordered pairs. So it is a relation on ordered pair for positive integers such that PQRS is an ordered pair which belongs to R. So which means PQ is related to ordered pair RS if and only if P minus S equals to Q minus R. So P minus S equals to Q minus R. Which of the following is true about R? So we need to tell about reflexivity and symmetricity. So when is a relation reflexive? So it is a relation on ordered pair. So it is reflexive if AB is related to AB. See, a normal relation is reflexive if A is related to A, but it is a relation on ordered pair. So it is reflexive if AB is related to AB. So for AB being related to AB, A minus B should be equal to B minus A, which means A minus B should be equal to B minus A. We don't know whether it is true or not, which means A minus B should be equal to minus of A minus B. No, this is not true, as this is an integer and this is an integer. So x is not equal to minus x in the case apart from 0, but it should be true for all the cases, which means for all AB belonging to R, AB belonging to our set, AB should be related to AB, but this is not true as A minus B is not equal to minus of A minus B. So it is not reflexive. Let us check symmetricity. So relation is symmetric if AB is related to CD, then it implies that CD is also related to AB. So what is the meaning of AB being related to CD? Which means A minus D equals to B minus C. Okay, we can write it like this, and we have to prove that for CD being related to AB, we have to prove C minus B equals to D minus A. So let us move to the left side. B minus C equals to A minus D. Let us take minus as common. We get C minus B equals to minus of D minus A. Minus minus gets cancelled. So we get C minus B equals to D minus A, which is we have proved. Thus, we can say CD is related to AB. Thus, this relation is symmetric. Yes, it is symmetric. So it is not reflexive but symmetric. So answer is option C is correct. The relation R is not reflexive but it is symmetric.